can see the way you're sitting quietly. You look a little lonely with your heart out of your chest. I'm screaming, help me.
Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. Today I have for you a regular day in the life. I'm going to be working on some orders today and crocheting for a bit. Today's coffee is so delicious. It's starting to feel like fall and I decided to put a little bit of cinnamon. Oh, and I also almost forgot. We got these yesterday, some apple cider donuts. So I'm definitely having these together right now. And I am about to boil some eggs. That's like my regular breakfast, in case you're wondering. Let me know if you guys are breakfast people, because I personally am. Eric, on the other hand, can go without having breakfast, but I just can't function that way. But anyways, I'm going to be also sharing with you guys how I style the hair now with my haircuts. I have it up because it's a little bit dirty and I need to wash it, and then also show you guys a new product that I've been loving to give my hair that natural, healthy shine look. Aside from that, I also need to water the plants, clean my brushes, and just organize for a bit. So let's get started and have my cup of coffee. All right, eggs are ready. I usually just cut them like this in fours, and then I put lime and salt.
When we wake,
so delicious.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
I just finished packing some Poshmark orders to have Eric take it to the USPS and UPS. But in the meantime, I actually wanted to wash my hair before I get started with my crochet orders. This portion of the video is sponsored by Glazyplex, which is a hair glaze that basically helps repair and restore your hair. It's a super bomb repair treatment. I've been using it for the last couple of weeks and absolutely loving it, especially after cutting my hair. Now that my hair is freshly cut, I've been wanting to keep it healthy, and this has been helping. It is a 4-in-1 damage repair. So it repairs, strengthens, protects, and glazes, and it also repairs chemical, color, heat, and physical damage. I actually have it here in the shower because I've been using it lately, and I will be using it today to show you guys basically how my hair looks after. I have been using it for the last couple of weeks, so my hair already, quite honestly, looks healthy, but this is what it looks like right now. And then I'm just going to show you guys how I've been styling my short.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up.
Alright, I'm just getting out the shower. And I'm now going to blow dry my hair. I just love the way that this makes my hair feel every time I use this. It just like instantly makes your hair feel so soft, a lot healthier, and just overall better. But if you guys know, I personally like to just let my hair air dry. However, today, to show you guys exactly how I've been styling it, I'm just going to quickly blow dry.
Sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time.
By the way, really quickly, I love this blow dryer, but there's nothing I hate more than not being able to hold it like this, because basically when you touch this is when it works. Watch. See what I mean?
Forever.
hair looks after I blow dry it. I'm still getting used to styling it if I'm being honest, but I usually skip the blow drying step, and then once it's dry the next day, I curl it with my curling wand. I've gotten questions as to how I do my curls with this length. If I'm being honest, I'm getting a little addicted, so I might go and cut it a little bit shorter because I want it over my shoulders. I feel like it will look better, but anyways, this is a curling wand. It's a 1 inch, I think. So I just split my hair in half and basically just curl it like I usually do. I'm waiting for it to get hot, but oh, it did already. So I start with the bangs, the front section, and then I curl it outwards like this. Fun fact, I used to be really good at curling my hair with the clamp, like the one that you just clamp it. And for some reason, I forgot how to use it. So now I can only use the curling wand. So I just take sections like this and then curl it outwards and sometimes inwards as well for more volume. But like the front pieces, I like going back, like towards the back. I leave it for a few seconds and then let it go. But yeah, this is what I mean by towards the back. So I take the curling wand, put it behind the hair, and curl it towards the back, basically. This section, I'll curl it inward. So I put the curling wand this way, my hair towards the front. But yeah, this is basically how I've been styling my hair lately. It obviously looks better with makeup on, but I'm going to be linking the glaze down below. I just love how quickly it truly works. The fact that you can apply it for 4 minutes in the shower and see results right away is incredible. Definitely worth the try. For now that I'm going to be doing a few things around the apartment, I'm going to clip the 2 front pieces towards the back and move on to a face mask because I need it lately. This is definitely turning into more of a self-care kind of vlog. I haven't done a mask in forever.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Right, here are all of the plants. These are basically our smaller plants because the bigger ones, we basically just walk around and water them that way from the actual pot. But they're actually doing so well. This one, when we came back from the honeymoon, was completely like so yellow. I had to cut every single leaf off, and I figured I would just leave it like that and see if it would grow again, and it actually did. Like I just left it bare with these strands and it started growing leaves. I wish I took a picture of how it looked when I cut all the leaves off, but it's doing pretty well. And then all of these are looking a little sad because I had to water them. And then of course, every single time I water the plants, there are some that are dead or looking a little yellow, so I cut these off. But yes. And then to water them, I basically like taking these little bowls and I like bottom feeding, basically is what they call it. So I put the plant in here, put some water, and then let her drink whatever she wants or needs.
My veins run dry, I'm empty. I can't see, I'm blinded by this concrete. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you.
About to start crocheting some orders, but I did get some questions as to what I got in my honeymoon or in Europe, because I totally forgot to show you guys what I got in the honeymoon series as well as the vlog back from the honeymoon. So let me show you. All right, so I only got 3 items, 2 belts and a purse from Dior. This is what it looks like. It's the most beautiful brown in my opinion. I was considering getting it in black as well, but then I found this one from YSL and I loved how dainty and small it is compared to the Celine one, but they're both really beautiful, and I think staples to have. And then I got a small little bag from Dior that I fell completely in love with. All right, I think you can see it better now that I opened the window, but this is what it looks like. I guess you could say it's a wallet on a chain. I think it's what they call it. But I love the pattern, the material, and this gold chain. Just so beautiful. Yeah, that's basically my little haul from Europe, if you were wondering. By the way, it's been a few hours. My hair doesn't hold a curl, but that's a story for another day. However, I love the soft waves that it turns into and just how soft and healthy my hair looks. Again, I'm going to be linking the Glazy Plex glaze down below in case you guys are interested in trying it out. I think it's 100% worth it. And again, you see results instantly. But now let's get to crocheting.